Hi everyone, for today's invention I need a nail, a thin drill bit, a bolt, a screw nut, a piece of a handsaw nozzle and a wrench. I mark the grid for the hole on the wrench. Using the core I make a serif. I fix the bit in the drill and make a hole in the wrench. The nail freely enters the hole. Using a caliper, I measure the width of the wrench and mark half of this width. I clamp the wrench in a vise and use the grinder to make longitudinal incisions. I solder a bolt with a screw nut to the side of the wrench where I previously made a hole. Grind the head of the bolt and solder a nail to it. I cut off the extra parts. It turns out the handle of the invention. Using a sander, I remove the burrs from the handle and round off the end of the bolt. The attachment from the handsaw is fixed to the wrench with a nail. I clamp the workpiece in a vise and cut off the extra part of the nail. Using a hammer, I fix the nozzle. I screw the bolt into the screw nut. Here is such a device turned out. Let's test it in action. I'll take the old rusty bolt and put it in a vise. I fix the invention on the end of the bolt thread and scroll. The bolt is cleaned of rust and the threads are not damaged. Done. I'll try to clean the other bolt. I fix the invention on the end of the bolt thread and scroll. Great job! If you're interested in this idea, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.